Hi students, welcome to Expressing My Complaints. Today we're going to check some phrases to repair communication in conversations. So, what is repair communication? Repair communication refers to how speakers address the problems in speaking, listening, and comprehending that they may encounter in a conversation. So, for repair communication, we can use these phrases. The phrase number 1, it says, what I mean is, this is related to clarification, to make the things clear. When you say something and the other person doesn't understand you, you clarify your ideas. So this is a useful phrase to use. What I mean is, and then you explain your ideas better. In the second, we have no, look. So this phrase is used to give an example. For example, when you are talking about something and there are other people, another person doesn't understand you, you can explain using examples. The next, I don't know the name exactly, but it is the piece you use. So in this is similar to the second. You can use similar aspects, or you can use also examples to explain what you are trying to say or what you're trying to ask. Okay, so in the fourth, let me explain to you, another person is expecting for an explanation. So when they don't understand you, you can explain better your ideas, and this is a useful phrase for a start to explain to someone. So we're going to check examples in a conversation. In this dialogue, we can see it is in a restaurant, and the person number 1, he tells, do you want more cheese? And the another woman says, what I mean is there is not cheese here. Is there not cheese here? So he's clarifying the ideas. So in the next, will not pay? No. Look, I'm going to pay you, but you need to be more careful. In the next example, how can I help you? I don't know the name exactly, but it sounds like chicharranas. So this is an example about how can we use these phrases in a conversation to repair the communication with other people. Now it's your turn to use these phrases in your conversations. Thank you for your attention.